When you guys make pasta, I have to ask you a question. Do you rinse your pasta when you're done? Good girl, Abby. Nope. Little bit of olive oil is all you need. Just a tiny little bit of olive oil and turn that around, or some chicken stock or butter. I like to, every time I make pasta, for no matter what dish it is, I like to put in a little bit of butter and a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese or a little chicken stock. And just move it around, or olive oil, it doesn't matter, whatever I have on hand. And just move it around, and then the cheese sticks to it, and it just complements pretty much any dish you make. But a lot of times what will happen is I'll be hungry and I'll end up eating a bowl of it, just the pasta with the cheese, a little salt. Yeah, so you guys are going to add 3/4 of a cup, but I'm going to go right in from the bottle. And I'm not going to use a whole bottle, but I'm going to use quite a bit of it, because I did a double batch. I'm going to get my hoisin sauce in there. Like your Asian food hot, go more sriracha.